Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and we have the trailer for Marisan, which is an upcoming Tamil film starring the legendary Vadivellu and Fahad Fazil, one of my favorite actors. So yeah, let's not delay this any further. I had loved the teaser because I was thinking the teaser would go in one direction and it completely took me by surprise. So yeah, let's see. I'm hoping that the trailer also does the same. We will see. Let's watch it.
சில வீடு என்ன கூப்பிடுற மாதிரி தோணும். அப்படி இருக்கிற வீட்டுல தான் நான் ஏறுவேன். நான் எப்பவுமே யோசிப்பேன், இந்த ஆகாயத்துல பறக்கிற கொக்குக்கு எப்படி தண்ணிக்கடியில வாழ்ற மீன் சாப்பாட வந்துச்சு. என்னமோ ஒரு கனெக்ஷன் இருக்கு. அந்த கனெக்ஷன்
சார் எங்க போனா?
திருவண்ணாமலையில் ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட் இருக்கான்.
ஓ,
நான் அங்கேயே போறேன்.
பைக்ல போலாமா சார்? வாங்க சார், ஜாலியா இருக்கும்.
எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஞாபகம் வருது. அல்சிமெஸ்
பண்ணல
நாங்க பைக்ல திருவண்ணாமலைக்கு போயிட்டு இருந்தோமா?
நான் எதுக்குப்பா திருவண்ணாமலைக்கு போனா?
நேத்து நைட்டு கூட கரெக்டா என்டர் பண்ணீங்களே.
ஐயா இது சரிப்பட்டு வராது.
இப்போ உன் பிளான் என்ன?
ஏப்பா
Oh, this is
ரொம்ப
interesting.
நேரமா ஒரே கியர்ல போறோம் போல் இருக்கேன். கொஞ்சம் கியரை தான் மாத்துவேன்.
பைக்கை பத்தி ஏதாவது தெரிஞ்சுதா?
செக் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் மேடம். உடனே கண்டுபிடிச்சிடுறோம்.
வாழ்க்கைன்னா ஜாலியா இருக்கணுமா வேணாமா?
இருக்கணுமா வேணாமா?
லொகேஷன் ட்ராக் பண்ண முடிஞ்சதா?
சார் மானிட்
பயமா இருக்குப்பா.
Okay. Okay.
என்னையவே முழுசா மறந்துடணும்னு பயமா இருக்கு.
பொறுமையா போயிட்டு இருக்கேன். எப்போ என் கண்ட்ரோல் போக போறதுன்னு எனக்கே தெரியும்.
நான் திரும்பவும் சொல்றேன், அவர்கிட்ட இருந்து பணத்தை அடிக்கிறது தான் உன்னோட வேலை. புரிஞ்சுதா? அவர் உன்னை நம்புற மாதிரி நடி.
வாழ்க்கையிலேயே மறக்க முடியாத பயணம்.
என்ன பண்றது, இதையும் மறந்துடுவீங்க.
மறந்துட்டேன்னா மூன்றாம் முறை கமல் மாதிரி இப்படி ட்ரை பண்றியா?
ஐயா, அந்த மாதிரி மகா நடிப்பெல்லாம் எனக்கு வராது.
Oh, I am logged in. I am logged in on this plot point. This is so interesting. Okay, let me stop this. This plot point is amazing. I am totally in. I love it. I absolutely love it because I mean, just from a storyline perspective, I don't know how it will all unfold. Obviously, for that we have to watch the film. But I'm just saying, from a storyline perspective, if somebody described me this plot point where there is a thief and there's a person with Alzheimer's, and the whole plot is that this thief is trying to kind of jog his memory so that he can, rob the other person who has the Alzheimer's disease, because he seems to have discovered that, okay, he has some money, good amount of money, and the thief also has some protocols to follow, because Fahad clearly says in the beginning that he needs to feel a connection to rob. He can't just randomly rob anyone or any house that way. It needs to call to him. So if somebody narrates that to me, I am like logged in. So there could be two possibilities, because there is a dialogue in between where I think Fahad's friend, partner in crime, you know what? Okay, wait, I'll tell you. Anyway, Fahad's friend, who's the partner in crime, says that your job is to just make him earn your trust so that you can rob him. And I had written in my teaser, I remember my thumbnail was Partners in Crime, and I thought Partners in Crime were both of them, Fahad Fazil and Vadivellu, but clearly, Fahad already has a partner in crime. But there are two possibilities to the story. One, Fahad goes through a redemption arc. Maybe he starts to feel something, and then he's like, no, I'm gonna send this person to his destination. That is, he wants to meet someone there for whatever XYZ reason, and he deserves that. I cannot take advantage of the disease that he's having, though initially that I wanted to, but maybe that connection I was feeling was my whole redemption arc. So he goes through an entire redemption arc. Second is that he doesn't. I mean, I would love both the plot points. That we are, as an audience, told deceived that, oh, Fahad is actually going through a plot point. I'm saying through a redemption arc, and he's becoming a good person. He's having a change of heart, and then bam, Surprise, surprise. Yeah, he's just a bad guy. That's it. A thief is a thief, and good guys get screwed over. Maybe that's the lesson that this movie will give us. I don't know. I would love either of them. I would love both the endings because both have. One has a very hopeful message and another one probably a very realistic message. But I always side with hope. And I would prefer the first one. But even if it's the second one, it's fine. But I want to know your thoughts. What do you think how the story can turn out? Because, yeah, I think this can become such a good, engaging film. Because even the treatment-wise, when I'm seeing the trailer, it's not very, very gritty, but there are some dark moments here. You can see that there is some sort of grittiness. I think the police are chasing the bike because it gets lost somewhere. I think they have to leave the bike somewhere because maybe Fahad realizes it's getting tracked. So there's so many things happening. So yeah, definitely looking forward to the release of this film. Let me know what are your thoughts here. And I loved it. I loved the trailer. I love this whole plot point, the whole concept. I think this could be an amazing, amazing story if executed well. So yeah, I hope this turns out really, really good and we have a lot of fun watching it. So that was it for my reaction and my review, and I'm gonna sign off now. Let me know your thoughts and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye!